Hate ripping seams? Me too, until I learned this. I recently learned how they rip seams at sewing factories, and I think it's gonna change my life. So I have to share this with you.
This is what I used to do. Pick 3 stitches at a time with a seam ripper. And repeat. It took forever and I poked holes by accident. I've spent hours undoing seams on skirts. Then I found this faster method. Pick a stitch with the sharp end of a seam ripper, then insert the red ball end into the seam and just push. It rips through quickly. Well, this works, but it always makes a mess with little thread bits, and I've accidentally ripped fabric doing this many times. If that's a you too, here's a new method I love. Use a seam ripper just to snip the back stitch ends. Then grab an awl. Use it to lift the thread from the front, then back. Then hold the thread on the front, give it a little wiggle and break it. Do the same on the back. Front, back, repeat. And that's it. Honestly, at first I thought it appears rough, but when I tried it, I realized the only thing that's breaking is the thread, and it's way gentler on fabric, and the seam rips in seconds. It takes a little practice, but once you get a hang of it, it's much faster and safer than ripping stitch by stitch. For serged seams too, you don't need a seam ripper. First, trim the thread tail. Then use your awl to pick the straight thread that runs parallel to the fabric edge. Pull that out, and the rest just unravel like magic. Same with the 4-thread seam. Pull that bottom straight thread, then the one in the middle. And the rest unravels cleanly. Now, do you want to put this to use? Check out Sparkly Belly's All Access membership. You'll get instant access to all 19 plus courses with over 32 gorgeous dance outfit designs and tons of useful techniques like skirt making, pattern hacks, beading, and more. Curious? The link is below.
So try these seam ripping tricks, and if you want a project to test them on, this 25-yard tiered skirt is super popular and so fun to make. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!